So now I just wanted to quickly talk about these connectors that I use in a number of my videos. So we just have a breadboard jumper right there, male to male, but I crimped on an alligator clip. So I'll plug that in the board there and then just clip it to the positive supply. So this is the main reason why I did that. It makes it very easy to get a connection into the breadboard with a multimeter, whereas normally it isn't. And I forgot I had a screwdriver clipped to this. But in any case, this is all I did. I took one of these connectors, took the insulation off, put the wire in there for the one end of the male-to-male breadboard wire jumper there, and kind of slipped it under there. And all I did was took a pair of pliers and squeezed together the metal around the pin right there. Very simple, and it seems to make a perfectly fine connection. And then you can slide the cover back on right there. That simple. But in any case, we'll turn the meter on. I already plugged in the red right there, and we'll go to the negative. So if I push on where we got connectors and stuff on breadboards, that really kind of weakens the connection right there. But there you can see we have a steady about 9 volts. So we're probably losing a little bit due to resistance. Maybe the power supply isn't providing exact 9 volts or whatever the case may be. So I'll unclip these and we'll try to get a comparison reading if I just press on the alligator clips right there. So I'm touching the alligator clips, so they make a pretty good direct connection right there. But if I go to 2 components, if I accidentally put it backwards, we'll just get a negative voltage. No big deal. But yeah, if I push on 2 components that go into the board, there you can see it's really, I'm not trying to screw up my reading that much. There you go. You know, it took a bit before we got you know, a somewhat decent reading right there. So yeah, the alligator clip attached to breadboard jumpers works really well for that. So thought I would show that off one more time.